What's up, guys? I'm gonna make a tutorial how to get free ringtones on your iPhone 4, 3G, and 3GS. So what you need to do first is to pick a song that you like. Right click it, go to get info, go to option where it says stop time, check it, and then just copy the minutes and seconds and just erase it. Same thing to do on the start time. So the custom ringtone is supposed to be 20 seconds long. So I'm gonna just put 30. I'm gonna just let it start from 30 seconds. I'm gonna let it end on 50 seconds, and I'm gonna press OK. And I'm gonna right click it again. I'm gonna put what you need to do is go to click on create AAC version. If you don't see that, go to advanced, and it shows it up right here. Goes right there. So on top of it, right click it again, go to get info, go to option, just where it says stop time, just click on paste. On start time, just erase it, press OK. So you're supposed to have the full song and a custom song. So it was 20 seconds long and a real song on top of it. So the 20-second song, just right click it, click on show in Windows Explorer. So what you do is press Alt if you have Windows, and press Tools, and go to Folder option, and click on View. The one says for known file types, just uncheck it. So it's supposed to look like this unchecked. So just click on Apply and OK, and click on a song, right click it, and go to rename. Where it says M4A, just erase the A and put an R, and left click and press yes. And when you do that, just drag the song where it says library. You dragged it, and then it shows up ringtones. So click on ringtones. That didn't work. Do it again. Okay, it's right here. It's on top. So then after that, go to devices and click on your iPhone, and then it says ringtones. So check the ringtones that you made, and when you're done doing that, just sync it. So just do that, and I'll be back in a second. Alright, so when you're done syncing your iPhone, go to settings and go to sounds, go to ringtones, and you see it on the top. It says custom. So there you go. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and subscribe if you made. Thanks for watching.